Hi, in this little video, I'm going to show how coordinators should upload the information of their mentor-mentee pairs. So you get this link to the document called Mentors Master List. So what you do, just make sure you're in the 2022-1 sheet. So you go to course, for example, let's say I'm Robin and I go to English 10 and I say, hello, pick myself out of the, out of the list, Robin, and I decide, all right, Robin's first mentor is actually Robin himself. So it's all here, all the teachers. So Robin Davis will be mentoring Carlos Arias. So we go Arias, here he is. All right, but Robin's got more mentors, so he would need to add English 10 again. And it's important to add the class every time, don't leave it blank. All right, and the next mentor is Thomas McCormick. All right, who will be mentoring Andrea Munoz? So we look, we go in here, and again, alphabetical order by last name. Okay, and there we go. So, and then if I wanted to put my students in, I would put here, English 7, and find myself, I'm the coordinator, and so on. Now, it doesn't matter what order these come in. It's okay if English 10 goes first, and then English 1, and then English 5, because we can filter that easily and organize it later. So that's all you need to do. These here, please, you can just leave these alone, the plan, log, final report. That's just later, when we check the documentation, we can go in and say, all right, did the mentor Robin prepare a plan? And we can say, yes, it's complete, it's there. And is there a log? Yes, he completed the log. Did Robin do a final report? We can say, oh no, Robin did not. And we will find him and ask him to do it and then make it complete. So that is all you need to do.